Okay, back to the Mercedes Vito again. This is the problem we're having now. Let's see what happens with this. This is the original key fob, and now it's working. So this is the original one, which this morning didn't want to know. So my mate said to me, why don't you try the old, well, the one I haven't used, the key fob. I might just swap key fobs and just give it a quick giving it a go. Because put this one in, perfect. Now this morning this wasn't working, but the thing is, you don't really want to take a chance, because if this one, so you just don't know, is it that? Or is it the key itself? Such an intermittent fault. I'm going to change keys anyway and see and give it a go. But yeah, watch this again. Let's see if this works. What someone did say was clean this. This is a sensor, and that's a sensor on the end there as well. So give it a bit of a clean, and that could be the problem. You just don't know, do you? I'm going to change key fobs anyway. If this helps anybody, please give it a like, thumbs up. So clean the lasers on the ends. I'm going to change my key fob from my spare, which hasn't had much use at all, and I'll let you know, just keep you posted. Okay, so I'm back out for another test, which I've been doing anyway. Watch this. Now I'm not going to push it hard in. It's in, nothing. Watch this. So there is a bit of a glitch between this. I'll take it out again. So push it in again. Just watch this. It's in and it goes in position. It's all right. If I go a bit gentle with it, it's in and it's locked into position. But yeah, so I think the actual, because this is a different key fob. I told you I've changed the key fob. So I think what's happening is the sensor's not picking it up, or because I've been told to clean the end of that. And in here, there's a little bit of a red sensor on there, so I've cleaned that, and it seems to be working. This is the secondary key fob to keep as a spare. So I know the battery's good and whatnot, but watch this. Ready? Here we go. It's fine. So go gentle with it. It's in. Did you hear it click? But then watch. So push it in a bit more. So I think we're going to have to change this lot, but trying to get an older one. I mean, you know, off eBay, and it might even be the right vehicle. It's 200 quid. I mean, come on, peeps. So I don't know. I mean, what do? Do you take a chance? You know, it's all there, and then she fires up. Do you take a chance and see if it's all going to work, or do you go somewhere and then get there and then the ruddy thing doesn't fire up? Then you're in. Bloody, because you're stuck then 50 odd or wherever far you're going. We're supposed to be going fishing the weekend. We're going to be stuck, which is quite nice really, because it's a very pleasant place. So let's have a look. So gently, see, nothing. Just pushed it in, and then it clicks. So it's, I'm gonna, see, push it hard, it's fine. Push it in gently. Doesn't work. Oh, I don't know. I'm very tempted anyway, because I'd like to buy a newer vehicle. We've got a motorhome which is old. It was 20 years old. This is 2007 vehicle. I'm thinking sell the both and just buy a nice decent. Did you know that you can actually buy a Fiat Ducato van brand new for 20 grand? Not that I've got 20 grand, but it makes you wonder when you get all this trouble, is it worth it? So, see? And then give it a bit of a twist and it's in. Anyway, if this video helps anybody, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. If you don't want to, that's fine by me. Take care, and yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. All the best.